There are times when we want the text size to become smaller or bigger directly in the Notes pane itself. Fortunately, there are ways that you can do that. In today's video, I'll be sharing two methods in which you can make the font appear smaller or larger directly in the Notes pane. The first method is to turn on text formatting for the Notes pane. This is a method for you if you would rather prefer to actually increase the font size in the Notes section of PowerPoint. You must first switch the text formatting in the Notes pane. To do that, click on the View tab, then from the far left of your screen on the View ribbon, click the Outline View. When you click on the Outline View, you will notice that the slides on the left part of your screen increase in size, and there is also some blank space that shows up. Right-click on this space and click on Text Formatting on Windows or Show Formatting on Mac. After that, click on the normal view, and now that you're back in the normal view, click on the Notes section and make sure you highlight the text in the notes by selecting it. Increase the font size when the text is highlighted by navigating in the Home tab and change its font size. The second method is to use the zoom option for PowerPoint notes. In doing this, the first thing that you have to do is click in the Notes section before anything else. This step is critical to change the size of the text in the Notes section. Then, click on View, and on the ribbon, click on Zoom. A pop-up window will appear, and from that window, you can basically go with the predefined zoom level or set the person search manually to a certain zoom level. However, increasing the zoom will make the fonts look larger, and decreasing the zoom will make the fonts look smaller. Once you're done, click OK. And whether you increase or decrease the zoom level, you'll notice the text size has changed. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.